If you're serious about baking, the odds are pretty good that you have one of these heavy stand mixers around. But I got to tell you, it's heavy and it takes up a lot of space on the counter, so you got to find a place to put it in the cabinet. So I keep this one in a cabinet in the garage. Now, every once in a while, when my grandkids are coming over, I like to make some cookies or cupcakes for them in advance. Now, here's a pro grandpa tip for you. Find out what time they're going to arrive and put the cookies or the cupcakes in the oven just before that. And that way, when they arrive, the house smells like baking goodness. But I got to tell you, I'm tired of moosing this thing around. So I reached out to the folks that make this handheld mixer and I said, hey guys, why don't you send me over a sample? And they did. Here it is. This thing is lightweight, but it's got a heavy duty motor. It comes with all the accessories you need. It comes with this little container that snaps on the bottom. It holds all the accessories and even the cord. And speaking of the cord, it's plenty long enough. This Lord Eagle electric hand mixer comes with 5 stainless steel attachments, including 2 beaters, 2 dough hooks, and a whisk. All of the attachments are made from restaurant grade 304 stainless steel, so they're rust resistant and dishwasher safe. I also like that everything fits in the storage case that snaps on the bottom of the mixer, so you don't have to go digging through drawers trying to find the parts. Overall, this is a solid hand mixer for home baking, especially if you want something powerful, easy to use, and easy to store. I definitely recommend it.